And here we are at the park, at our little town ball game park. And the dogs have been... The dogs, as you can you tell, the dogs are needing a little exercise. Whoa, run over. These puppies are getting a little bigger.
Song was in the water at home, so she'll and looks.
Song looks like she's had some fun.
She did.
What more can you ask for, huh? Poodle fun, poodle fun.
Come on, baby, let's walk.
Oh, good.
Oh boy, do they need this.
There's Haley going.
Come on.
Look at Haley go. Ooh, a little trooper she is.
She's kind of all over the place. She doesn't know what direction to go in. Well, you know what we didn't bring was little things to see if they would go over them.
Oh, the jump?
Yeah, little... Hi, Angel! You were right under my feet, weren't you?
Woo! Come on!
That's almost enough to scare you, that sound. Oh, Song ducked. I don't blame her. Song, what's that, Hop?
Haley says, can I help with you guys?
Did you see that?
No, I missed it. I'm with the big guys.
Song, come. Song. Yeah. You see how this... Song, come. Song. Haley. Song. Come. Song, come. Good girl. Good girl. Next time for you, Haley. Let's walk a little bit and see if you come when I call you. Ooh, uh-oh. That's not allowed. No, that's not allowed there, little lady. Boy, you're a big girl. Oh, good girl.
Angel's doing her thing.
Diane.
Yeah. Hey! Come on up here.
We didn't stay down there yet.
We go to the water after.
Not yet. Haley.
Woo!